Do you feel lost when it comes to virtual interviews and online job assessments? Or maybe you're wondering how to stand out in a job market where employers receive hundreds, sometimes thousands of applications for a single remote position. If you answered yes to any of these questions, this course is for you. The remote job market is growing fast, but so is the competition. If you're not using the right strategies, your resume could be getting ignored. Your interviews might be falling flat, and you could be missing out on life-changing job opportunities. But don't worry, this course is designed to help you change that. Remote Hiring Mastery. Land your dream job on the first try. A step-by-step guide to navigating the remote hiring process, acing your virtual interviews, and securing your ideal job. Hi, I'm Joe Korea, and I've helped thousands of professionals successfully navigate the remote hiring process. I know what it takes to get noticed by hiring managers, pass online assessments, and even crush your virtual interviews, and also securing a high-paying remote job, even if you don't have prior remote experience, because I've done it for my own company, okay? And now I'm sharing my proven strategies with you in this step-by-step course where I'm going to show you what I use to be able to hire remote other employees that I might have, and how I've done it in the past and what you need to do so that employers see your resume and so that you get hired. How to craft a winning remote job resume and cover letter that gets noticed. The secrets to passing applicant tracking systems, or ATS, and landing interviews. How to confidently ace virtual interviews and common hiring assessments. Negotiation tactics to maximize your salary and benefits. How to spot and avoid remote job scams. Tips to succeed in your new remote job and grow in your career. This course is packed with real-world strategies, insider tips, and practical exercises to help you land your dream job faster. And here's the best part of all. Since most job hiring is now done remotely, the skills you'll learn here will give you an edge over the competition, no matter your industry. When you enroll, you'll get step-by-step lessons breaking down every stage of the hiring process, resume and cover letter templates to save you time and effort, insider tips from hiring managers on what they really look for in hiring remote candidates, Q&A support so that you can get your questions answered directly by me, a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely zero risk in getting started. So don't wait. Click the Enroll Now button and let's get started. Your dream job is just one step away.